Hello, I'm going to show you some of the cool things that you can do using our OneNote notebook. So you will have to go to Schoology and click on our class. If you notice, I updated our banner. So if you see this little N here, this is our class notebook. So if you click on it, it should bring up our class notebook. And remember, you need to press File and Edit in Desktop App. It will open to OneNote. And you need to make sure that the top doesn't say Content Library, that it says your name. Once you are in your own notebook and you go to Chapter Notes, you'll see that I have sent you Chapter 3, the text. Today, you are going to be reading the text on your own. So if you notice, I added a image for annotating the text. You're going to use this symbol when you find who the text is about. You're going to use this symbol when you find what the text is about. This clock when you find when it's taking place. You can use the eyes for what you notice and this little guy for what you wonder. And if you just grab one of the images, you can pull it over to the text wherever you'd like to use it. For each of these, you need to also add words. So by the text, you might have these symbols, but you need to add in notes somewhere. What did you notice? What did you wonder? Who's this text about? Also, you can go up at the top and insert. You can add pictures, you can add videos, you can add stickers, any of these things. But this is where you'll probably really be using the draw section. You can draw using the pens. You can highlight using the highlighters. You can erase what you've written. You can type using these features. So as we read today, please make sure that you are writing on the text. This is part of your grade. I will go ahead and model what this looks like for this first section. Chapter 3, Welcome to Dictionopolis. You must excuse my gruff conduct, the watchdog said, after they'd been driving for some time. But you see, it's traditional for watchdogs to be furious. Milo was so relieved at having escaped the doldrums that he assured the dog that he bore him no ill will and, in fact, was very grateful for the assistance. So, who is this text about? I see it is about Milo and Talk. So where I add my who, I have my annotated answer. Milo was so relieved at having escaped the doldrums that he assured the dog that he bore him no ill will and in fact was very grateful for the assistance. Splendid, shouted the watchdog. I'm very pleased. I'm sure we'll be great friends for the rest of the trip. You may call me Talk. Talk is his name. This is a strange name for a dog who goes tick, 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 tick all day, said Milo. Why didn't they call you Don't Say It? Gasped the dog, and Milo could see a tear well up in his eye. Ooh, a tear well up in his eye. What does that mean? Well, it means he was about to cry. Something must have hurt his feelings. I didn't mean to hurt your feelings, said Milo, not meaning to hurt his feelings. That's all right, said the dog, getting a hold of himself. It's an old story and a sad one, but I can tell it to you now. I noticed something. I'm going to use these eyes. I noticed it's I notice Talk seems to be a very emotional dog. He's very tearful. So as you continue to read, don't forget to annotate the text and to answer the questions that I ask on the side of your notes.